In this demonstration we will show two ways in which to remedy or prevent a failed Boolean difference in Blender. This is the second part of the Boolean difference tutorial. To recap, a successful Boolean difference is made between an object A and an object B which intersect each other. We have previously shown how the integrity of the mesh is severely compromised if one Boolean cut is made on top of another Boolean cut. This led to inverted normals, and any further attempts of cutting the object again have failed. In this first example, we will demonstrate how to remedy an object which has been inadvertently cut twice. The object will have to be remeshed in order to restore its mesh geometry. Let us begin. We will first create an object with inverted normals. To do this we will apply a Boolean difference between the white cube and the blue cube twice. This kind of error can easily occur while doing cat work. With the white cube being selected, we will access the Boolean modifier in the Properties window. With the dropper we will select the blue cube. Essentially the blue cube will cut the white cube. To finalize this, we will apply the modifier. The cut has been made and this can be verified by moving the objects apart. We will use Ctrl and the Z key to go back a step. The objects lie face to face against each other, and there is no longer an intersection between object A and object B. We will now proceed with a second cut by repeating the procedure. When the objects are shifted apart, you will immediately notice a random disarray of orange lines in some areas of the cube. By using the Face Orientation checkbox, you will see the inverted faces. In fact, this cube will fail to perform any further Boolean operations in its current state. This was demonstrated in the previous tutorial. To remedy the situation, a voxel remesh of the object is required. In the Properties drop-down menu, we will select the remesh function. For this demonstration we will voxel remesh the cube at 0.4 mm. We will apply this. In edit mode, notice how the vertices have rearranged themselves into a uniform quad mesh geometry. This can be easily triangulated. To demonstrate whether this object can be used for further Boolean operations, we will lower it into the green cube to perform a second Boolean difference. With the white cube being selected, we will use the dropper to select the green cube. The cut has been successful, and this can be verified by moving the objects apart. Let us move on to a second example in which remeshing might not be the best solution for you. For example, you may want to hold on to your surface topography of an object. We will reverse all procedures by using Ctrl and the Z key. We are back at having made the first cut. If a new cut is to be made on the same white cube, it becomes necessary to move the cube back into the blue cube by the tiniest amount. This means a new intersection exists between an object A and an object B. This is a prerequisite for a Boolean difference to succeed. For example, this can be done by increasing the offset of one of the Blenderfordental cutting tools. In other words, by making a cutting tool slightly larger, you are essentially expanding the object and thereby creating a new intersection. To demonstrate, we will finalize the cut. In edit mode, notice how the mesh of the cube is still uniform and unaffected by inverted normals. To test whether a new cut will succeed, we will create another Boolean difference between the white cube and the green cube. We hope this video will help you understand how Boolean differences work. Thank you for watching this video.